No, this is a wasteland.
I'm detecting passive regression.
Are you?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry. How about some active regression? They're fighting dogs.
I draw the line at fighting dogs, pal. The Codex does.
Rex, you can't be serious.
Oh, I'm game. Destroying the Codex is the only way it remains unobtainable, right?
Imagine a slimy talking alien who loves chocolate and hates bad guys. Sounds like your ex? Nope, it's Venom. Today, we're breaking down some of Venom's wild scenes to learn killer phrases so fire, even teachers can't ignore them. Ready to learn English with a side of symbiote? Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell. Let's get weird with words. To do one's thing.
Batman, Eddie. Are we the lethal protector or not?
Do your thing.
Easy peasy.
Do your thing means go ahead and do what you're good at, or what you feel you should do. It's like saying, be yourself or do what you do best. Outside a bar in Mexico, Eddie and Venom find gangsters trafficking caged dogs. Eddie says, do your thing, to let Venom take over and fight them to save the dogs. He trusts Venom to do what he does best, be strong, fast, and aggressive. I'm not good at fixing cars, so I'll step back and let you do your thing.
Yeah, we got this. You go do your thing.
Do your thing.
Do your thing.
Easy peasy.
Batman, Eddie. Are we the lethal protector or not?
Do your thing.
Easy peasy.
Easy peasy is a fun, casual phrase that means something's very easy or simple to do. It's often used to show confidence that a task won't be hard. Venom says it to show he's confident that fighting the gangsters will be super easy for him. It means he's ready to use his powers, like strength and tendrils, to beat the bad guys without any trouble. Finishing my homework was easy peasy.
See? Easy peasy.
Planning will be easy peasy, especially with the help of your assistant. Easy peasy.
No, you said it was gonna be easy peasy.
To draw the line.
They're fighting dogs.
I draw the line at fighting dogs, pal.
Draw the line means to set a clear limit on what you will or won't do. People use it when they decide something is too much or not acceptable. Outside a bar in Mexico, Eddie and Venom discover gangsters trafficking caged dogs for dogfighting. As they're about to confront the gangsters, Venom sees the dogs and says, I draw the line at fighting dogs, to show his compassion for the dogs and to make it clear he won't hurt them, only the criminals. It highlights his sense of right and wrong. I'll help clean up after the party, but I draw the line at washing dishes.
I draw the line at fighting.
Like, I personally draw the line at golden showers.
Okay, I draw the line at things falling off my brother's face.
Forever homes.
I'm doing this for your benefit, all right? We're gonna find all of these dogs loving forever homes because what you're doing is reprehensible.
Forever home means a permanent, loving home where pets are cared for their whole lives. It's often used for adopted animals to show they'll never be abandoned again. Eddie says this to promise that the dogs, freed from the gangsters, will be placed in safe, caring homes where they will be loved permanently. It shows his compassion and commitment to ensuring the dog's safety after their rescue. We help rescued cats and dogs find forever homes with loving families.
A few more dogs this year than we expected, and they need forever homes. Okay.
Finding forever homes for 10 is the magic number.
Nothing makes me happier than when they go to their forever homes getting all the love and care they need.
To bug someone.
Early morning wake up, General Strickland.
Looks like all your dreams came true.
I know how that must bug you.
To bug someone means to annoy, bother, or irritate someone. It's a casual way to say something is upsetting or frustrating. Dr. Payne says this to Strickland, meaning she understands that the arrival of a new creature is annoying or frustrating him. It shows her acknowledging his irritation in a slightly teasing way. It must really bug you when your brother doesn't listen to you.
Why does it bug you so much that I can't cry?
Like it bugs me that you guys are together.
Something about me bugs you?
No!
You know, it just bugs me when people speak before they think.
To be eminent.
You always have this look on your face like something terrible is imminent.
Because in my line of work, something terrible is always imminent.
Eminent means something is about to happen very soon, usually something bad or serious. It's like saying, it's coming right now. Dr. Payne uses eminent to describe General Strickland's worried expression, suggesting he always looks like he expects something bad, like a symbiote-related disaster, to happen soon. It shows she notices his constant concern about potential threats. A storm is imminent, so stay inside.
The hostages are in imminent danger.
The Tibetan army believes an attack on Chamdo is imminent.
Threat is imminent, and I have to protect the one thing that I can't live without.
Unless he's in imminent danger to himself or someone else.
Line of work.
You always have this look on your face like something terrible is imminent.
Because in my line of work, something terrible is always imminent.
Line of work means your job, career, or profession. It's a way to talk about what you do for a living. General Strickland uses line of work to refer to his military job, which involves managing dangerous symbiotes and security threats. He's saying his work is so risky that bad things, like disasters, are always about to happen. In my line of work, I have to travel a lot, so I don't get to see my family much.
But a guy in my line of work has to have a lot of payoff cash around.
In my line of work, I have to be very careful.
In my line of work, I look for ways to improve efficiency.
In my line of work, things tend to happen when it gets dark.
Well, in my line of work, I can't afford to think that way.
Safe haven.
Why are they here?
What do they want?
Safe haven.
Safe haven?
We were running.
Safe haven means a place where someone feels protected and secure from danger. It's like a safe, comforting spot to escape trouble. Strickland is trying to understand why the symbiotes came to Earth. Teddy the symbiote says safe haven to explain that the symbiotes are seeking a place where they can be safe from their creator Null, who's hunting them. They're not here to take over. They just want a safe place to live. Grandma's house is my safe haven.
The ambassador is in his safe haven with his body man.
To think, Yelp called this a safe haven for the lone female backpacker.
Safe haven for the children of the rich and the privileged.
A safe haven for dragons everywhere.
Passive aggression.
No, this is a wasteland.
I'm detecting passive aggression.
Are you?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry. How about some active aggression?
Passive aggression means showing anger or annoyance indirectly, like through sarcasm or subtle insults instead of being openly upset. It's like being mad but not saying it straight. Venom says this to point out that Eddie is annoyed with him but showing it indirectly when he uses sarcastic tone after they escape a xenophage attack on a plane and land in a desert. His passive aggression showed when he sarcastically said, "Wow, great job."
passive, not so passive aggression towards me.
Could have done without the passive aggression.
You know, old Noah might have taken this passive aggression and dwelled on it, but new Noah doesn't care.
That's called passive aggression. Pirates, they attack with force.
In the woods, maybe if we concentrate, we can pick up on his passive aggression.
To juice.
And what was that thing? That thing that we just juiced back there?
You're not going to like this.
No, I can absolutely guarantee you I'm not gonna.
To juice something can have several meanings, but here it means to defeat, destroy, or overpower something or someone, often in a quick or intense way. It's a slang term, like saying you beat or crushed something. After a xenophage attacks them on a plane, Eddie and Venom escape and land in a desert. Confused and shaken, Eddie says this to ask Venom what the xenophage was, using juice to describe how they defeated it, showing his shock and need for answers. He juiced his opponent in a boxing match with one punch. To turn on someone.
The xenophage's maker also created a symbiote. Oh, the symbiote's turned on him. Locked him up on Clintar.
Your planet.
No, not a planet.
To turn on someone means to betray or go against someone who trusted you. It's like suddenly becoming their enemy or opposing them. After surviving a xenophage attack, Eddie asks Venom about the xenophage and its creator. Venom explains that the xenophage's maker, Null, also created the symbiotes, but all the symbiotes turned on him, locked them up on Clintar, describing their betrayal and imprisonment of Null. The soldiers turned on their commander when they realized he was lying to them.
I think they turned on him and they wanted him dead.
How she has turned on me now.
My clone troops turned on me.
She turned on me with the gun.
Eyes wide.
We just intercepted an emergency call from an Airbus out of Mexico saying a man jumped off the plane over Sequoia.
Eyes wide, Payne.
Eyes wide means stay alert, watch everything carefully. It's like saying stay sharp or be on guard. Strickland says this after he hears that Venom and Eddie jumped out of a plane, and he's getting ready to chase after them. He's telling Dr. Payne to stay focused and be ready for anything during the mission, especially because they're going after someone as unpredictable as Venom. Keep your eyes wide when crossing the street. I'm game.
Codex dies.
Rex, you can't be serious.
Oh, I'm game. Destroying the Codex is the only way it remains unobtainable, right?
I'm game means I'm open to trying something even if I'm not sure how it will go. People say it when they're up for a challenge or adventure. He says this in response to Dr. Payne when talking about destroying the Codex, a dangerous object that holds power over symbiotes. Strickland means he's ready and willing to do it, even though it's risky. He's agreeing to go along with the plan to destroy the Codex and face whatever danger comes next. Wanna go bungee jumping after school? Sure, I'm game.
Whatever you say, I'm game.
Well, I'm game if you are.
I'm game for anything.
Whatever form that takes, I'm game.
And that's the venomous phrase breakdown. You've mastered slang, smashed phrases, and leveled up your English. Stay tuned for more movie lessons. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Let's keep learning Venom style. See you again.